point slope form. Okay, so point slope form is just y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, so I have got a slope already, and this is my x1 and this is my y1. So now we can stick it in point slope form. Y minus a -3 equals m, 1/2, times x minus x1. Now, remember, a negative and negative is a positive. And now if we want to change this to slope-intercept form, we distribute the 1/2. So we get y plus 3 equals 1/2 x minus 1, because 1/2 times 2, half of 2 is 1. And then we're just going to subtract 3 from both sides. So we get y equals 1/2 x minus 4. Now we can graph this way, where we put a dot at -4 and we go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, and we end up with this right here. But there is another way to graph this. Let's look at number 4 to talk about that. Now we could graph this first. We could graph -2, -2, and then our slope is 3/4. So from this point, I can go up 1, 2, 3, and go over 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have it right here. It kind of shows us where B is, but it's hard to see. So I might still put this in the formula, and this is x1, y1. And again, we're doing y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we're going y minus a -2 equals 3/4 times x minus a -2. Remember, negatives, 2 negatives makes that positive. We're going to distribute, so we get y plus 2 equals 3/4 x. 2 times 3 is 6. We get 6/4. And then this is where it gets tricky. We're going to subtract 2 from both sides. Now, when we're dealing with fractions and we've got a whole number, we can change the bottom to 4, like it's over 1. So we change it to 4. So 4 times 2 is 8. So we end up with y equals 3/4 x minus 2/4 or minus 1/2. That was a toughie. Okay, but it does look like it's going through here right at -1/2. All right, let's try another one. Okay, so I'm going to graph this first, and then we're going to find slope-intercept form. So we go -4, -1, and our slope is -2. So remember, that can be -2 over 1 or 2 over -1. So in this case, I'm going to go up to 1, 2, -1, just to kind of see. Well, this doesn't really show me where my y-intercept is. So again, I'm going to go y minus y1, which is right here, equals m times x minus x1. 2 negatives make a positive. Distribute. Y plus 1 equals -2x minus 8. I subtract 1 from each side, and I get y equals -2x minus 9. Well, that's why it's not showing up in here, because it would be much further down, be -9. Okay, so that's it